Hey Artland, how's it going? So recently I came across some drawings of the Kaiju monsters from the Godzilla the Series TV show. And they have some really cool and interesting monsters in there. So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw some of those different Kaiju. So let's start off with this one, and this one is called the CRUSTACEOUS REX. Now this is kind of like a crazy looking creature. It looks kind of like aquatic. It's got tentacles on it. It can shoot ink at things. It's super strong. I think it'd be a cool one to draw. So to start off this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right over here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. And then I'm going to add a little circle inside of it. I'm just going to color in most of this. Then I'm going to add a little line that's just going to kind of curve right around here. And then I'm going to add a little line up. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up. I'm going to kind of go down and up, and just add a couple little points on there. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm going to add a couple more of those little zigzag lines over here. Then I'm going to add a couple more points, and I'm going to do another one over here, go down, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this around, kind of wavy. And then I'm going to add one right here that just kind of goes down. I'm going to add a few of those little kind of points on it. And I'm going to kind of curve this right up to there. So it's kind of crazy looking right now. Next one, what I want to do is I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to draw some more of those kind of little pointed lines. I'm going to run it right up to there. Over here, I'm going to draw a line up, and I'm going to make one that goes down and up, and then another one right here. And then I'm going to run one right into there. Then I'm going to add a couple little kind of pointy lines right around here. And then right around the edge here, I'm just going to add a couple little kind of longer lines right around there. Now, in here for its mouth, I'm going to add just like a little kind of oval shape. And then I'm going to add just some kind of long and short lines that are just kind of going all the way around here. And it's supposed to kind of almost look kind of like a little bit of like an octopus or like maybe like a starfish mouth. Something just kind of like this. We're going to add just some of these really long lines all over here. Now, let's work on the body. So we'll start with the head. So right here, I'm going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of curve around. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes right to here. I'm going to draw a little kind of spike kind of shape right there and a little curved line here. I'm going to make another one right here with another little spike in it. And then I'm just going to kind of curve down. Then we'll make a little line down, and I'll make a line that just kind of goes up and down here. And then right here I'll make a little line that goes over. And then we're actually going to start the arm right here. So I'm just going to make a line that just kind of goes down and kind of curves in. Add a couple little kind of lines here. And then we'll just kind of go down again. Put a few little spikes in here. A little curve. And then I'm just going to make a line that goes down. And then I'm just going to draw his little fingers. So I'm going to put a little line that kind of curves around here. One that does the same thing here, and then I'm just going to curve it over. Make one that goes down and kind of curves up, put a few little bumps on there. And then one that's just going to kind of curve around here. Then we're just going to kind of go up, and then we're just going to kind of curve in, add an extra little line. Then I'm going to make a little line that kind of goes out and in. And then a little line right here that just kind of curves around. Then I'm going to make a couple little extra lines right here. Then starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line. And then I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved lines right there. And then a little line that just kind of curves down. Starting here, he's got these tentacles. So I'm just going to kind of draw these wavy lines. They're going to kind of come to a point and then get bigger up here. Then I'm going to add another one kind of right over here. Add a little line here. We're going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. Add these kind of like, almost like little kind of small tentacles, part of like the tail. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this right up to here. Then I'm going to add a little curved line on some of these right here. And then there's kind of like just a little bit of like a V-shape or U-shape pattern down here. Then over here, I'm just going to add some more little tentacles. And then I'm going to put another one right over here. And then I'm just going to add some little lines going down here just so we can see that, you know, where the top and the bottom of the tentacles are. There's going to be another small tentacle that just kind of curves around here. And then we want to come over here and we want to add his other arm. So starting here, you just want to draw a line that goes out and it's going to curve down. A little curved line here. Another one that just kind of goes out and down. Then for his fingers, we're just going to draw a line that kind of goes out. It's going to curve in. Another one here. I'm going to go all the way out here and then just kind of curve up. A little line that goes up and in. Kind of curve up here. Little lines kind of curves around. And then we're going to draw one that kind of curves right to here. Then right here, just for some details, I'm going to add a little curved line kind of where the head would be. Then I'm going to add just a couple more little curved lines around here. I'm going to put a little and then a bigger spike over here. We can put some little curved lines on the feet and then some over here as well. And then there's definitely going to be these little like claw shapes on here. It's got these little claws on all his feet, or all the toes. Then I'm going to make a little line that kind of runs down so it looks like he's got a shell. And then he's also going to have a couple big spikes kind of coming out the back here. And there you go. There's your drawing of Crustaceous Rex from the Godzilla the Series show. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.